What's up, geniuses and curious humans? This is AI Innovations Unleashed, and you're listening to AI in 5 series, where we cram a week's worth of my melty AI into your walk from the couch to the fridge. I am your host, Dr. JR, and today we're speed running the obscure but awesome stuff the headlines mostly missed. 2 deep dives, then a rapid fire round of important quick hitters. Seatbelts? Check. Brain helmets? On. Let's take off. Imagine putting a microscope on a language model's thoughts. Anthropic's researchers have basically done this, peeking inside the Claude model to see rhyming features activate before the rhyme hits the page. Chris Olah, Anthropic co-founder, summed it up as such. What are the mechanisms that these models use to provide answers? Why should we care? Because mapping these circuits is how we give AI guardrails that work across languages and contexts. Now, enter MIB, not the Men in Black, but the Mechanistic Interpretability Benchmark. Say that 5 times faster. It's one standardized test to check if your interpretability method finds the real causal circuits in a model. Without a benchmark file like this, interpretability is just vibe science. Experts are also warning if the features we find change every time we run the test, we can't claim that we found anything at all. So, let's move on now to the rapid fire round. Rapid fire mode engaged. These are fully verified breakthroughs changing the interpretability game. God, I cannot say that word. Anthropic's open source circuit tracing tool. This is a new system that lets developers trace how models like Claude 3.5 Haiku processes thoughts. It maps activation flows across components and works on open weight models like Gemma 2-2b. Mapping millions of features is now happening in Claude Sonnet. Researchers have identified clusters of neurons, these features that correspond to real-world concepts like the Golden Gate Bridge or unsafe code. Suppress the unsafe code feature and Claude stops producing it. Attribution graphs reveal a multi-step reasoning. For Claude 3.5 Haiku, attribution graphs show how the model reasons step by step, making invisible logic paths visible. These aren't product gimmicks, they're the foundation for AI you can audit, understand, and trust. Finally, NVIDIA's Jensen Huang put it plainly. In the future, every computer that builds things will have a factory that builds the things they sell. And then it'll have another factory that builds and produces the AI. That second factory only works if tools like these make AI behavior transparent, testable, and consistent. Well, the motto for today: less magic, more mechanism. From rhyming detecting circuits to open source tracing tools, the AI breakthroughs worth watching are the ones making systems clearer, safer, and more reliable. I'm Dr. JR, and this has been AI in 5 from AI Innovations Unleashed. Click to follow the show, share it with your favorite skeptics, and remember, we're available on all your social media at AI Innovations Unleashed. Remember, with all of this AI, you could be somebody's benchmark.